Assalamu alaikum. Student, miscellaneous exercise 1, mathematics 10th science group. We are going to solve MCQs, multiple choice questions. 4 possible answers are given for the following question. Take the correct answer. First one, standard form of the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. A, b and c are real numbers. So option B is correct. Second, the number of terms in a standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are 3. So option C is correct. The number of methods to solve a quadratic equation is 3. Option C is correct. The quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the correct one. Option A is correct. Fifth, the linear factor of x square minus 15x plus 26 are, student, if you consider a technique, if we multiply these factors using the formula and check which one is gives this answer, then that will be the correct option. Let us try this part, x minus c into x minus 8. According to the formula, x into x square minus c minus 8 is equal to minus 15 multiplied by x, and then minus 7 multiplied by minus 8, 56. So directly applying formula without multiplying them, we can easily find the correct answer. So option C is correct. An equation which remains unchanged when x is replaced by 1 or x is called a reciprocal equation. This is the pretty good definition of the reciprocal equation as well. So by solving MCQs, we can also learn their equation and memorize them. So seventh, an equation of the type is, student, we can see that the variable x comes in the power, so this is called the exponential equation. Option A is correct. Eighth, the solution set of the equation 4x square minus 16 is equal to 0. If we solve this equation, we get 4x square is equal to 16, and then x square is equal to 16 by 4, and x taking square root x equal to plus minus 2. So option C is correct. Ninth, an equation of the form is called, this is called reciprocal equation. Option A is correct. Student, let us move to the next page. Sorry, a short answer are also given. Sorry student, there are fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks are in the next page. So question number 3, let us try to solve those. Question number 3, first part. The standard form of the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a, b, c are all real number and a is not equal to 0. Second, the number of methods to solve a quadratic equation are 3. Third, the name of the method to derive a quadratic equation is completing square method. Fourth, the solution of the equation is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Recall, we derived the formula of the quadratic equation by using completing square method, and we use this equation. Option 5, MCQ number 5. The solution set of 25x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Again, solving this equation, we get x square is equal to 1 divided by 25 and x equal to plus minus 1 by 5. So the Option plus minus 1 or 5 enclosed in a square bracket. This is our answer. 6. An equation of the form is called exponential equation. 7th. The solution set of the equation x square minus 9 is equal to 0 is. Student, by solving this equation, we get x square is equal to 9 and then x equal to plus minus 3. So, correct answer is written over here. 8th. An equation of the type is called reciprocal equation. 9th. A root of an equation which do not satisfy the equation is called extraneous root. Last, an equation involving impression of the variable under radical sign is called radical equation. Thank you very much and have a good luck.